So today's video is kind of like a get on ready with me, and I'm going to be showing you guys the products I'll be using, and I'm going to leave them down in the description box below so you guys can check them out. And be sure to like this video, comment, and please subscribe to my channel, and I'll speak to you guys next time. Bye guys. So this is the product I'll be using to take down my makeup, and this is the Garnier Skin Active Micellar Cleansing Water, and this is the combination and sensitive skin, and this is what I've been using for at least 4 or 5 years now, so, and it's been working for me. And when I'm done using this, I go in with my witch hazel, the TN Dixon's witch hazel, and I use this to go over the cleansing micellar water. And yeah, I'm just going to be showing you guys how I get my makeup off. So what I'm going to be using to take off my makeup is cotton pads. This one is from Tesco. I usually get the one from Primark, but I really can't be bothered to go to Primark now, so I just went to Tesco and I got this one. So you can literally get any cotton pads you use, and yeah, it's really cost effective. This is pretty straightforward, guys. You get your micellar water, you get your cotton pad, and then you add some drops to it, and then you begin wiping. I usually wipe my lipstick first, especially when I've got like a really bold color like I have on right now. So yeah, you wipe that first. So I go in with a couple more drops on a new pad, and the next step, I do my eyebrows. So this is me going in with another cotton pad and taking my eyebrows off. This is how I go in order. I do the lips, especially when I've got like a really poppy lip, and I go next to my eyebrows, and then I move to my eyes. And as you can see, I'm making sure I'm literally not like dragging it on my skin, if you guys can tell, because I really don't want to tear my skin. And then yeah, just so you gently rub the cotton pads in your eye to get the mascara off and any eyeliners or highlighters that you might have used. And then I go into the rest of my face. I'm sure you guys can see it's coming off. This is still the second cotton pad. Make sure you're going. I'm making sure to not forget my neck, and I'm making sure to not forget this place. So right now I'm getting my third cotton pad, and I'm applying some more drops of the micellar cleansing water. At first glance, you would think all the makeup is off, but just wait till I literally go over my face with the witch hazel, and you're gonna be shocked. So the final step is going over my face with my witch hazel to get the residue off my face, and let's see how that goes. You don't need too much, just a couple drops. Don't do too much. So let's see. As you can see, I'm not sure if you guys can see properly. It's actually not that bad. Not sure if you guys can tell. It's it's not too bad. I'm not sure if you guys can tell, but there's some residue on the pad. So we've come to the end of today's video, and as you can see, my makeup is off. And honestly, I usually dreaded taking off my makeup because like I didn't know what to use. Like I used to use wipes, but then that was too harsh for my skin because I've got really sensitive skin. And a friend of mine actually introduced the micellar water to me 4 or 5 years ago, and since then I literally haven't looked back. Like I haven't looked back. And then I made some research and I started using the witch hazel on top of the micellar water, and my face has been thriving. So yeah, before I go off, I'm going to show you the cotton pads I used for the first one, the lipstick one, second one, third, and fourth. You literally do not need to do too much, guys. Like, you do not need to do too much, and trust me, these are my staple. And yeah, so please, if you guys enjoyed today's video, please be sure to give me a thumbs up, comment down below, please subscribe to my channel, and I'll speak to you guys next time. Bye guys.